For centuries, our cultures have spoken through art, architecture, and color. Colors that define who we are, slowly fading under time, exposure, and neglect. But what if every color, every brushstroke, every story could be preserved? In the Colors Digital Lab, latest technology becomes the bridge between our past and our future. Developing tools that combine scientific imaging, artificial intelligence, and computer graphics. We support informed restoration of colored cultural artifacts, allowing scientists from all corners of Europe to work simultaneously on the best ways to preserve and protect them. Technology also removes barriers. Through Colors Digital Lab, cultural heritage no longer belongs to a single place. A masterpiece can be experienced anywhere, even in a classroom on the other side of the world. From the shadows of the past to the light of the future. Technology does not only preserve what we were, it connects who we are. Every restored color is a shared memory. Thanks to colors, history, now digitalized, will never disappear.